Hi everybody, this video is going to be an introduction to my Microlocs hair journey. So if you'd like to know more, then stay tuned. So hi guys, how are you? I hope you're well. I know you haven't seen my face in a while. I've been away from YouTube. I explained why in some previous videos, but the good news is everything is good with my channel. Pray to God it stays that way, and so I've decided to start uploading videos once more. If you happen to have kept up with me on Instagram, on TikTok, or on my community tab, then you will know I have microlocked my hair. So I'm just going to show you the front. You can see essentially the interlocks. If this is completely new to you and you are wondering what is microlocs, what are microlocs, I'm gonna just give you a brief overview right now. So microlocs are essentially locking your hair. I am in the process of letting my hair lock. The look that you end up with is pretty similar to Sister Locs, but Sister Locs is a trademarked brand. And if you don't follow the grid, or if you don't get your Sister Locs started by a Sister Loc consultant, then you cannot technically call your locks Sister Locs. They are Microlocs. But for all intents and purposes, to the general public who may not know all of the intricacies of that, your hair essentially looks like you got Sister Locs in the end. So I did my Microloc installation all by myself. I watched a ton of videos. I'm gonna link some of the inspiration that I had for my Microlocs in the description box below. I started my Microlocs journey essentially by parting my hair in rows and then separating those rows into individual twists. And what I did was I actually braided or plaited the roots about 10 turns and then twisted to the ends. So essentially my hair looks like mini twists, but then if you look at the roots you can see that you have interlocked hair. My hair is interlocked now because I have almost completed one full interlocking routine. Interlocking is what you do for maintenance of your hair. You essentially knot your hair on itself using a particular type of rotation. There are tools that you can use. I will introduce all of those in future videos. Now, my hair does not appear to be fully locked. Now, it's not at the front, but if you check out the back a little, we can see some bits at the back of my hair are knotting, locking. I've got some bunching going on. There's a lot going on. So what to expect from my channel going forward in my upcoming videos, some of which are actually going to be shorts. I'm going to be showing you my process of installing my Microlocs all by myself. These are 3 months old now, so I completed them just at the beginning of February 2023. Any questions, comments, etc., I'm gonna need you guys to leave them in the comment section below. Give me some suggestions of videos you'd like to see about my Microlocs, because yeah, I'm planning to come out with a lot more videos on this topic, and I'm sure you guys have a lot of FAQs, a lot of questions, so go ahead and leave them below. If you are completely new to my channel, then of course hit the red subscribe button. You can hit the bell for notifications, so that way you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Apart from that, guys, I am so happy to be back, so happy to be uploading again, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to interacting with you guys in the comments. So yeah, I hope to see and hear from you, read from you very soon. Side note regarding my channel, I'm thinking of a channel name change. I really love the Kelly Closet, it's great, but I'm just thinking about, like, this is to do with Microlocs. I might be uploading some stuff. I want to upload some content about motherhood as well. So like Microlocs and motherhood, Microlocs motherhood and life, Microlocs motherhood and mental health. I'm not sure, but let me know, and I'll consider your suggestions.